Yo, what's up guys? Mike Red Fox. This is gonna be a real quick video just migrating Hive OS from a USB drive over to either an SSD or an M.2 or any other type of hard drive. So I was in the middle of filming something else, which you can see all around you right here, and I needed to free up some USB drives that I still had in some of my Hive OS rigs, and I had SSDs just sitting around, so I figured might as well figure out how to do this and put up a quick video as I learn and do it together with you. So let's take a look right over here. The rig that I'm going to be working on is going to be this Crypto Cavern server case rig, which has an M.2 drive in it, but right now you can see I'm currently using a USB drive. That's the SanDisk Cruiser Glide. You see 32 gigabyte, but it has that SSD 64 gigabytes in there, and I found these instructions on how to move Hive OS over from a USB drive to a different drive. So I'm going to go ahead and give that a go. So first thing I'm going to do is open up the Hive shell by going up here, going to remote access, starting the shell. All right, that is ready to go. So let me go ahead and open that. And the first command that I need to run according to this article is fdisk-l. So let me go ahead and do that, fdisk-l. That's going to load up all of the drives in there. And you can see I'm having some type of error here with this is probably the USB drive. Coming up first, you're looking at SDA, which is that 60 gigabyte drive. So I know that's the M.2. And this is that 30 gigabyte drive, which I know then is the USB drive. So that looks really good. You want to take note of that. And then if I go down here, it has the command to transfer the image of the flash drive. So let me copy this. And then what it says is if this is the device from which we will transfer our flash drive. So that is if should be SDB on this list, which it is right there. So it's going to transfer from the flash drive, which is SBD, over to SDA, which is the M.2. So I'm going to paste that in, paste from browser, paste that here, hit OK, hit enter, and we'll see what happens. All right, so you can see it's copying right now from the flash drive over to the M.2, so let's let that finish. Okay, just finished copying over. You can see reported it took 410 seconds to copy that information over from one drive to the other. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out the shell here. Don't need that anymore. Close out here. And then what I'm gonna do is just shut this rig down, go into the menu. I'm gonna go to shutdown, let that power off. I'm gonna go unplug the USB drive from it, power it on, make sure it comes up and starts mining. Rig powered up, just started mining here, and what you can see down in disk models that we're now off of that SSD, no longer using that USB drive, which I have completely removed from that mining rig. So just a real quick video. I was in the middle of doing something else, as you can see here, but I needed to free up some USB drives, and I figured, well, might as well figure out how to move this over to an SSD now, so I know for the future. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button if you did. Subscribe to the channel for more GPU mining content. Join my Discord if you want to chat. The link is down in the description. As always, please take care of yourself, take care of each other, and I'll see you in the next video.